So here's how to connect a custom domain with system.io. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your account and then click on the profile icon. After that, click on the settings option. After clicking onto this settings option, it will take you to the another page. Now from the left panel, you have to simply scroll down and go to the custom domains option. Moving on to the next step, it will take you to this page where you will be able to view the option to add a domain. You have to simply click on it. Then this pop-up window will appear. You have to enter your domain name here. After entering your domain name, click on the save option to save these changes. Here remember one important thing, that you have to enter your domain name with the www extension. Now it will give you the CNAME and the code. Then you have to go to your GoDaddy dashboard. There you have to copy and paste this code. Then click on the save to save the changes. So that's how to connect domains to system.io.